How to change the transparency of the command prompt. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you wish to change the command prompt or the terminal of your device into transparent one, here is the solution to it. While the built-in command prompt in Windows do not natively support the transparency settings, however, there are other terminal emulator programs available this for the feature. One of it is Windows Terminal. So for this, first of all, right-click on the Start button and open the terminal. Now, in order to open the settings, right-click anywhere on the tab and there you have the settings option. It will open a new tab from where you can see the settings of the command prompt or the Microsoft Windows prompt. From this list on the bottom left, you have the option of Open JSON file. Tap on it and it will open in one of the editors. In my case, it is open in VS Code. Now you have to go to settings.json, scroll down a bit and there you have the option of profiles. Under it, you have a default section and under the curly braces, make sure to copy and paste the command that is provided on the description box. Once that is done, save the changes and then make sure to restart it. Or what you can simply do is go to the task manager and restart the program. Now, if you open the Windows PowerShell or the terminal, you will notice that it is transparent. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.